To truly understand the life of a farmer is to walk a mile in their shoes, to understand their sacrifices, to celebrate the wins of a successful harvest, and feel the gravity of fields destroyed by unrelenting weather. At Cone Guard, we understand the life of a farmer because we live the life of a farmer. Our products were not designed in a lab or big city. They were field tested on our family-owned farm. Day in and day out, we worked to improve each product until we knew that they would provide long-lasting protection in even the most challenging crop and soil conditions. Cone Guard's 5 panels fit securely over damaged transition cones with no need for modification. Made of 10-gauge high abrasion-resistant steel, Cone Guard offers long-lasting protection in all soil types and commodities. Cage Guard offers a long-lasting alternative to the costly and time-consuming job of replacing a worn-out rotor cage. Designed to cover the front portion curvature of the existing rotor cage, Cage Guard ensures maximum protection against future wear and tear. Although they may not be immediately noticeable, holes in your front cover have costly consequences. Cover Guard is a 3-piece design that is welded in place to cover weak spots and prevent crops from leaking out during harvesting. Wear and tear on your combine is inevitable. Expensive replacement costs are not. Contact our sales team and discover the farm-tested difference at Cone Guard.